just want to share something with you all, that sometimes you feel that you cannot get something done because it looks challenging. But the fun part about a challenge is the end results. Once you put your mind to something and you're determined that you're going to get it done no matter what, you can do this. I had a desk that I told my son I needed him to put together for me. I've been waiting for him for 3 days. This is day 3. He did not show up. I'm not waiting for him anymore. I love him to death, but he is not reliable. I can't just sit around and wait to see if he's going to show up or not. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. So guess what I did? I put all my pieces out and I organized the parts, and I determined that I was going to get it done no matter what. So I took a look at the directions. And once I have a visual in my head, I can pretty much understand how the parts are going to go. I mean, it took me some time. I had to take the stuff back off, put it back on. Oh, this is on backwards. I didn't get discouraged. I just kept going. I was determined that I was going to have a desk in my loft today. And I did. So, kudos to me. And I just want to encourage you that sometimes the biggest part about the challenges is not even starting. You never know what you can do until you actually do it. That's my tip for today. So I'm going to show you my before and after pictures so you can see how it might have been a little challenging for me. But I did do it. So I'm happy about that. Hey Marcus, I got a desk today, and yeah, it's a little difficult. I was wondering if maybe you were coming by tomorrow and you could put this together for me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Love you. So I am done. My desk is put together. I'm so excited about it because now I can work in my loft in a nice quiet area and not disturb the rest of the house. And my TV in my office does not have access to YouTube. So if I'm taking a training class, I got to come upstairs, and I'm carrying all those books and everything with me, which is not a problem, but I don't have a desk here. So the room is set up for me to do yoga. My husband plays piano, so I don't have a space. So I needed to have a desk, and that's what I got. Okay.